Alright, so after you've logged into Voicethread, this is how you make your Voicethread. So you guys already found pictures using either Google Images or Pixabay, and you have saved them in a folder in Pictures, and we've saved them in this Fairytale folder. Okay, so once you have that, and you probably have your storyboard all filled out here, we'll be able to print this out so that you can read the text for each slide. You're ready to make the Voicethread. So when you hit create, this is what will pop up. The first thing we need to do is add the pictures. So when we click add media, we're going to click from my computer, and we put a folder in pictures called Fairytale. I know this is going to be my first slide, so I'm going to open that and add that media, and now we have a slide for that. You're going to want to make sure you add all your pictures first before you start doing your voice. Alright, so I'm going to add another slide because my story is more than one picture long. And for me, I don't have any more in my Fairytale folder, but let's just go here to this one, and my fractured fairytale is about a Cinderella version, and instead of a glass slipper, maybe she loses some sneakers. Okay? Once you have all your pictures here, you're going to hit this comment button up at the top. This is where you're going to be able to add your voice. Hit comment. Now you can see we have multiple ways that we can add comments. We are going to use the microphone right here. Okay? So when I click this record button, my voice is going to be recorded over the top of this image. I'm just going to show you what it looks like here. I'm not sure if it's going to work if I am speaking in this screencast at the same time. But when I click this record button, do you want it to access the camera and microphone? We want to click allow. Okay, and then we're going to click allow again if that pops up. So it says start recording, so it should be recording. And now I have this little pen. I don't think you're going to need it at all, but let's say you said, once upon a time there lived a young boy who lived in a village, and this was his house right here. When you're done saying the text for your first storyboard, you're going to click stop. Okay, and now you can see it's previewing it. If this is what you want to save, you're going to click save, and there it is for the first picture. It saved our voice thread right here. I'm going to click next, and now we're going to add voice right here to our next picture. So you see this process. For every picture, you're going to read the text to tell the story. You're going to want to have expression in your voice. If it's a new character talking, you might want to do a new character voice. Keep it interesting. So in a way, it's kind of like a movie, except with still images behind it. When we're done, you might want to change the title. Up here, you can edit the title right here. So, Cinderella, and then you might want a different sort of title. Don't just keep it as Cinderella. And then when you're all done, you want to click the share button. The share button, we want to make sure that we let's not have people be able to comment right now. That could be for later. We want people to be able to view it, so we're going to copy this link, which is right here. If I just copy to clipboard, and then you're going to go into Google Classroom, click on the assignment, and then add link and paste that link right in there so that I can see your voice thread. We're eventually going to be adding this voice thread to the blog as well.